Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let's learn how to adjust your distance preferences on Tinder to match with people near or far. So in order to do this, first open the Tinder app on your mobile device, then head to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your personal profile section from where you can change your personal information or details. So tap on the settings icon on the top right. Then scroll down until you see maximum distance. Here you can adjust the distance by using the slider. Set your preferred range, then tap on the arrow icon on the top left corner of the screen. This will automatically save your changes and you're done. Adjusting distance settings ensures you meet people in the desired range. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.